Well, go on, prayers. My name is Kazmar, and welcome to another week of Pree Dis. Now, this week we're switching things up a bit. We're taking over the residence of Denix. Yeah, man, we're gonna do it crib style, find out what's going on in her career. While for the next half an hour, it's all about the latest Pree in Jamaica's entertainment. Now, follow me as we go inside so we can catch up with Denique. And oh, here she is. Here's the lovely Denique. What's going on, Denique?
I'm good. What's up, Pree Dis? Welcome to my home. This is the place I call home. It's called 132. What's going on?
All right, so we're going to go inside now, Denique. You're going to show us around?
Definitely.
All right, so Pree Dis starts right now. Come on, man. All right, so we're getting the vibes going right now because you know where I go, and the rum bar products have to come with me. So I have my white rum Denique, I have my rum bar rum cream, and my Worthy Gold. Which one you prefer?
I think I'm a rum cream kind of girl.
All right, you like the rum cream. So we're going to be talking about basketball because Flo recently launched their NBL. So are you a fan of basketball?
I used to be. I'm not a big fan anymore, but I still love the game. I used to play in high school.
Wow. Which position you used to play in high school?
I used to play forward. That's what I'm calling center. 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 That's not
Don't ask me, I'm an athletic, you know. All right, so now check the pre-ments right here. It's all about the Flo NBL launch. Pree Dis.
It feel good, it feel good, it feel good, yeah. Move up the garage, drive, come up in there. Me know you have a girl, but me I take you away. Cause your body feel good, I mean, why you going?
First, I want to thank Flo for everything what they're going to do for the league. And I know that some of the new teams are here gunning to come beat the champion, Tivoli. And we're gunning to stay on top. My team is very, very, very heated for this league because we're going for the third championship, and we're going to stamp Flo and that trophy, Tivoli, over it.
We have improved this year with even more games at UTech, our partners, and we have now even added University of the West Indies as a partner, which will provide comfortable, safe environments for families to come on weekends and to be entertained with the best local talent.
As we launch the new season of basketball, it's really going to be an exciting time with lots of fanfare and fun and excitement.
Now we're finally inside Denique's house now. We're sitting on the couch, we're just vibing inside. You know, we're still trying to find out a little bit more about Denique. Now, Denique, tell me, I don't know. Does size matters?
It does.
It does?
It does.
Sure?
It does, with pure confidence.
Right, yeah, what you're saying about, we're talking about the Lime XLVI Promotion. Your mind too dirty. Yeah, man, after you send 3 text messages, you get them free. You get bonus credit every month. Free calls to Lime customers, a whole heap of things. Now, Denique, we know that you were signed with the Lime team. What was that relationship like?
It was awesome. You know, I appreciated the fact that they reached out to more young people because we needed that. We need people to realize that youth really are the future, because a lot of people kind of overlook it and say, oh, you know, them love say, no, young people don't know nothing, but we actually know a lot. You know what I mean?
No, but before we leave, you know, I want to know if anything in here so you want to hide, because I don't know, we're inside the house now, you know, we can't turn back.
Well, I don't really think I can show them my closet still. But
ladies, you'll get to see it. Now, Pree Dis, it's all about the XLVI Promotion right here. Pree Dis.
Hey, check out Lime Extra Large Value. Lime for living every day.
Once the sun goes down, summer love's always gonna be around. Summer love's always gonna be around. Summer love's always gonna be. So I ride days down, because summer love's always gonna be around. Summer love's always gonna be around. Summer love's always gonna be. Love struck, I'm here writing pages by my dumb luck. I haven't felt this way in ages, but I found a reason to enjoy this season.
What do you think about this so far?
It's great so far. We can say it's the best mobile network in Jamaica right now.
Do you have a Lime phone?
Yes, I do. about a year now, and trust me, it's a go and good. Even I'm a BB plan pan too.
Once you add your credit before 12, you get free nights from 9 in the night until 6 the next morning. And if you add it after 12, you get free nights the other night, so you still don't lose out. So Lime for living every day. You don't know Lime are the best. Big up Lime.
Well, I think the promotion is great because all of the things they offer, the free nights and the $100 credits a month, I think that's great. And I think they should continue doing it.
Well, we got the phone call on the 7 days, so there wasn't much time. Thank God I'm blessed to have a good team. It's a double layer cake. It's 8 feet by 8 feet, so we have to cut our way in.
Extra large value, extra large savings, and Lime just extra large. So we have 3 offers. 1, you talk for 3 minutes on any call, and you get the next 27 minutes free. We also have, if you send 3 texts, you get the next 100 texts free. But listen to this, if you top up for just $100, you get free night talk, extra value. Talk free all night. And this is not a night watchman type of talk where it starts after 11 o'clock. It starts after 9 o'clock when decent people are up and ready and what have you. You understand? So you can top up and talk, you can top up and study at nights, you can top up and have your prayer meeting, you can top up and do anything that you want to do. Free nights. We are bringing back value and giving consumers the value that they have always wanted. But this time, we're just giving them more. We're chopping it up more. So the $100 bonus, so if you top up for the month, the first time you top up for the month, you get a $100 extra bonus.
Okay, now prayers, we're finally inside the next room, and of course, this is where they said the magic happens. But you know, I'm a good boy. I'm going to behave myself, right, Danny?
You need to baby, sir.
I know I get in that trouble. Now, we're going to be talking about the Caribbean now, Danny. Have you been outside of Jamaica in the Caribbean?
Yeah, I definitely have. I went to Antigua for the first time. I think it was 2 years ago or last year. Anyways, it was amazing. You know, big up Antigua. The people they're amazing. They're great people. The vibe was nice, and the beaches, oh my God.
All right, and I'm a beach bum too, you know. Now talk about, is it any similar to Jamaica or how different it is?
Nah, man, it's really similar to here, and you know the people, as I tell you, they're very accommodating, and what I noticed in Antigua too, the government, you know, kids can't party, they can't go certain places if they're under 18.
Oh,
yeah.
I like Antigua.
Yeah, because when we're having the show, like a lot of kids were like, "Oh, I want to come, but I can't come." And I'm like, "Why you can't come?" And they're like, "Oh, we're underage," and I'm like, "Oh."
We need to set that up in Jamaica. Because more while we go to be 16-year-old, 17. You know,
it's not gonna work. We can't get rid of them. I love you guys.
All right, now let's talk about the Caribbean buzz. Yeah, man, we're gonna find the latest happening, the latest entertainment right here in the Caribbean and Pree Dis. Now remember, you know, because we've been drinking, we have our fruit to calm us down. So this is the apple juice, and they have a new type of product. This is the box drink looking one for like the kids. Check this out. Now Pree the Caribbean buzz right here on Pree Dis.
Inside the Caribbean buzz this week, Trinidadian gospel singer Rizon is seeking to give abused children a voice through his new song, No Entry. The singer says he was brought to tears by the sheer cruelty being meted out to youngsters. Jamaican reggae singer Jacure recently thrilled his fans in Panama with a stirring performance. Some 12,000 patrons came out at the Playa Serena Gorgona beach venue and rocked to hits such as Longing For, Love Is, and You'll Never Find. Trinidadian soca artist Faye Ann Lyons has released a hot new single called Misbehave. This is her follow-up to her hits such as Heavy Tea and Bumper. She has in the past teamed up with Caribbean acts including Jamaica's Beanie Man and her very own husband, fellow soca artist Bunji Garlin. That's the Caribbean buzz for this week. My name is Kevin Jackson.
All right, so I'm loving the vibes here, Danny. Now, out here, would you say this is an inspirational era for you to write music? Because it's really, really peaceful.
Yeah, it definitely is. What I love about this property is the fact that they're water pieces. There's so many things that you can just relax to. It's very relaxing. It's a soothing environment.
All right, so we're going to take our first commercial break. Don't worry, we still have a lot more Danique, and we have a lot more Pree Dis. We're so forward.